Namaste everyone, I'm Samarthya from Bodsphere. Welcome to Bodsphere's YouTube channel. I'm so happy that you are watching this video, you are watching this yoga tutorial and you want to practice with us. In today's yoga tutorial, we are going to work on our spine, but that too in Vajrasana or the adamantine pose or the thunderbolt pose. So in that case, you might require a yoga block or a cushion, because when we are coming in Vajrasana, there's a possibility you might have some strain or maybe some aches and pains here and there around your knees or maybe around your ankles or the heels. The main idea is that you should stay relaxed even when you are sitting in Vajrasana for a little longer period of time. So in Vajrasana itself, we are going to work on our spine. In that case, if you really need those props like yoga block or cushion or pillow, it is all fine. You can definitely use them. All that matters is you should stay relaxed in every asana and you should not be struggling in the asana. So let's all get started now. Let's all come in Vajrasana in that case. Now, just to let you know in advance, if you are using the props, there are different ways of using the props. You can definitely rest your knees over the yoga block also. So you can place the yoga blocks under the knees and you can rest your yoga blocks over there. That will in turn stress the ankle or the heels, not much around the knees in that case. Another way to use the props is a very comfortable position. So you can rest the hips over a cushion or a pillow and you can simply sit on the cushion or the pillow. The other way is to rest your ankle over a pillow or a cushion. So you can definitely place something cushiony under your legs. That will help you support your lower back. And if you don't really need the props, even that is completely fine. Yeah. So in Vajrasana, there is one important rule, one important part of the element that everyone should remember. Your hips are stacked right above the heels. So your heels, your feet, they are not flaring out. You are not resting your hips between the heels, or your feet should not be flared out. They should be intact. And your hips should be simply rested on the heels. So the heels are together when you sit in Vajrasana. That is the correct alignment in case of the Vajrasana. Now, in Vajrasana itself, you may rest your palms over your thighs. And let's start with the neck movement up and down. So very mindfully, you have to move your neck. Just to work on our spine, we are opening up our neck as well. And now left and right. I tell you, it's a quick fact that when you are moving your neck, your sacrum, the last bone of the spinal cord, also moves. And now laterally, ear to the shoulder. And now the rotations from the right side. Let's go for light, gentle rotations of the neck before we move on to the spine. And very gently, you may all switch from left to right now. Spinal flexibility is extremely important for a healthy body because spine is the base of your body. Let's all come back to the center now. And now you may rest your right palm on the right side as the left arm goes over your head. So you are bending laterally towards the right. Try to keep your elbows well engaged, not loose. not bent. So when you are bending laterally, try to push the left side of your body out. So it should not go along with the body. Try to push it out so that your spine can open up well. And very gently you may switch towards the left side now. So the right arm goes over your head now. And let's stay over here for a while. It's a super hot day today and I'm already sweating. Very sunny outside. And let's start continuously moving our body from left to right, right to left. You can now bend your elbows for only 10 seconds. Let's keep moving our body for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, hips are still rested over the heels, 2, 1. Let's all place our left palm over the right thigh. Right palm goes back and let's twist our spine to look back from the right side. So even while twisting, you have to see if you can keep your spine pushed in and straight. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms will once again come back on your thighs now and gently push the spine back. So you are making the curve with the spine intentionally. And let's all look towards the pelvic region or the thighs. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You may push your spine in now and the chest out. Let your chest open up. For 5, 4. We are using seated cat and cow just for the transition. 3, 2, 1. Now you may continuously start moving your spine for 10, 9, 8, 7. Continue smiling also. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We will twist from the left side. 1. You may rest your right palm over the left thigh. Left palm goes back. Let's twist from the left side to look back. Only for 5 seconds. Let's hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's come back to the center now. And now you may interlock your palms and push the palms away from your body. And as you inhale, let's lift our arms right above our shoulders, keeping our elbows well engaged. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You may bend laterally towards the left. In the same position, your body might tilt towards the right side. It's okay. We are working on our spine right now. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You may all bend towards the right side now. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you inhale, come up. As you exhale, straighten up your arms diagonally on the floor. As you all bend, and you may rest your forehead on the floor if possible. Otherwise, you can simply stay over here. If you cannot bend forward, not a problem. And let's just stay over here for a while. Couple of seconds more, everyone. And very gently, you may take your left arm towards the right side diagonally. So we are going 45 degrees out now. And let's stay over here for a while. For only 5 seconds, let's hold. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You may all rest your forearms alongside your body, not diagonally, but alongside on the right side. It's a pretty intense stretch for the spine, so you'll have to be careful. If you find it difficult, then you can rest your palms on the floor too. Even that is completely fine. Just make sure that your palms are right next to each other, not like this or like this, but in one straight line. If you want to make it more intense, you can rest your forearms on the floor. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Taking the support of the palms, lift your body up now, and let's all go diagonally towards the left side. For only 5 seconds, let's hold. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You may all gently go towards the left side of your body to rest the forearms on the floor as per your convenience. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Taking the support of the palms, lift your body up now, and very gently you may open up your legs now. So the legs are well opened up in the V shape. So the hips are still in contact with the heels right now. Yeah. In this position itself, let's stretch our arms by our side. As you inhale, let's lift our arms, and you may join your palms together. And let's all stay over here for a while. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's all bend laterally once again towards the left with our palms well joined together. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Laterally towards the right now. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you inhale, come back to the center. And as you exhale, you may relax your arms by your side. And let's all close the gap between our legs. And very gently, you may come back to Sukhasana once again. And you may now stretch your legs in front of you now, just to relax the ankle, because I know you have been sitting in Vajrasana for quite some time. So let's start moving only the toes. In Dandasana itself, only the toes will move right now. So after Vajrasana, we highly recommend that you keep stretching your ankle because of the body weight that is applied on the lower body. And now you may start rotating your ankle. You know, your body is meant to move, and every joint of your body should be well opened up. Everything should be lubricated, I would say. And you may all reverse now. So anti-clockwise. And very gently, let's all come back to the cross-legged position once again. So this was the yoga flow for spinal flexibility, that too in Vajrasana. You can definitely do it in Sukhasana also, but Vajrasana will make sure that your lower body also gets the stress. Even though we are not utilizing the lower body much in Vajrasana, but still, because of the body weight that is being applied on the lower body, it will create more stress and tension around the lower body also. And at the same time, we are integrating the stress that is being caused, that is being done on the lower body with the spinal flexibility. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's yoga session, and please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any queries, any requests when it comes to the yoga tutorial, you can just drop your comments in the comment section below, and we will definitely make a tutorial right for you. So we will see you all in the next tutorial, everyone. Till then, have a very beautiful day, everyone. Namaste.